Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and welcome back to this video. In this video today, I'm going to be taking you step by step on the process on how to get your Bitrue account and how to create your account, and also on how to download the Bitrue app from Play Store or iOS Store if you're using an iPhone. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and also turn on that notification button so you can get notified whenever we post an important video like this. Without wasting much time, let's get to the video. Right here is the Bitrue link, so you just click on it, or you click on this copy right here. You click on this copy right here because you want to be registering on their website first before you get the app. So you click on copy. Now you go down to your Chrome browser, on your search bar right here, on your search bar right here, you paste in the link you just copied, right? So you paste in the link. Now you click on your search bar and it will load. Once it loads, this is what you'll be seeing. You'll be seeing create your account right here, and you'll be seeing the option in which you're going to be using to create your account, which is your email address. So right now I'm going to just type in my email address. So right here, as you can see, I just typed in my email address. So I'm just going to click on this next icon right here. I'll click on the next icon, and now they will send a code to my email address. So right now I'll just go ahead and go to my email address to get the code. So I just got the code from my email address, so I'll just go ahead and paste it right there. So after pasting the code, I'll click on this next icon right here. So I'll just click on the next icon, and now they are asking me to set a password, right? The password that will enable me to log in once I download the app. So right now I'm just going to input in my password. So right now I've just inputted in my password, so I'll just click on this confirm right here. I'll click on confirm, and it's loading. And yeah, congratulations, you've successfully created your account with Bitrue on their website. And as you can see here, so right now let's go back to our Play Store to download our Bitrue app. So on your Play Store right here, you just click on it. So you click on your search bar right here. You click on your search bar right here. Once you click on it, you type in Bitrue Exchange, right? So I've already downloaded the app, so if you haven't downloaded it, it's going to show download right here. I've already downloaded it, that's why it's showing updates right here. So right now, if you haven't downloaded it, you install the app. So right now, if you've installed the app, let's go back to our home page. So you can see the Bitrue app right here. You click on it. Once you click on it, remember you've already registered your account and created your account on their website. So you just click on this login icon right here. So you click on the login icon. So you remove this. So right now, remember we used our email to log in. We did not. I just got the verification code, so I'll just go ahead and paste it at this point right here. I'll just paste it, and congratulations, you've successfully created your account and also logged in to your Bitrue account. So right here you'll be seeing the home, market, trading, futures and asset, right? So this is how to create your account with Bitrue Exchange App, and also how to log in to your account. So if you're still watching this video up to this time, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also turn on that notification button so you can get notified whenever we post an important video like this. And also there will be a link in the description below to our Telegram channel where we share trade signals every single day. Do well to check it out. Thank you for watching this video and see you on the next one.